Alright guys, you may be wondering, what the heck is this? Well, allow me to introduce you. This bad boy right here is the Stay Current $150 Catch 2. Now this, it's not just a wireless charger. This is more than a wireless charger. This right here is the current. Now you're gonna the Catch 2 Classics from Current. Now, this is probably the most luxurious wireless charger I've ever seen in my life. This bad boy right here is a multi-device wireless charger, and it actually has dual wireless charging ability, 5-coil QI certified fast wireless charging, premium Italian leather. That means we go from my country of Italy, Italia, como yo hablo español, muy bien, you see. High-grade leather. Durable braided nylon cable, which is right here. I must admit, this is very durable. You could probably swing this around, do some frisbee, do some jump ropes with it, and it would still last. This cable, just for the record, extremely long. Let's just take a look at how long this is. It's almost as long as the Eiffel Tower. So we have, first of all, it comes with the USB-C box, which is very helpful because even companies like Apple, they don't even send you this. So we have the box, then we have the individual charger which we plug into the box. Just take a look at how long this is. I'm about 6'9" for the record. It's almost about my whole body. That is some crazy stuff. Alright, anyways, back to this. We're going to plug in the box right here and just talk more about the actual charger. Give us a second because I'm very messy. So, anyways. This charger, I must admit, at first feel, it is quite heavy. It is almost about the weight of about, let's say, a football, around there. It's quite heavy. You know, you can do some curls with it. But it is quite heavy. And I must say, the leather, wow. It's literally the same quality as my belt leather. Just so you know, this belt, extremely nice belt, I must say. Got it custom, so, you know, we out there. Anyways. This charger, you can feel it. It's very nice leather. We have 3 little circles to symbolize the 3 different charging pads. And on the back, we have 4 little circles to hold it in place so it doesn't move around once it is placed on the surface. We have the warnings on the back and the output and input and then the current logo. Now, some very cool things I'd like to add. When we actually plug in the charger, you're gonna notice there's 2 little lights here. When we plug it in, the lights turn on and then they turn off, just to show that it is working. Now, when you actually put a device on one side versus the other, the light will light up, showing which side is actually being used and which side is actually charging. Just to demonstrate at this moment, we have a demonstration phone right here. Excellent phone, by the way. This phone belongs to quite an amazing person, I must admit. So we are going to actually put this phone on the left charging, and you can see, first of all, it's charging, and that the light of the charger is actually lit up white. Now, if we move it to the other side, we're going to see it is actually charging once again, and the light is actually white once again. Amazing, folks. Look at that. So, something else I wanted to share with you guys is the different angles of charging. Now, you can charge your phone in many different ways on here. First of all, you can charge your phone just vertical like this. But when you do charge it, you want to make sure that it's about in the middle with the top and bottom having about equal distances off the charging pad. But you can also, and as we can see, it is still charging, you can also move it like this. And it will continue to charge, just like that. You can also move it upside down, and it will still continue to charge as we see on there, and the white light is lit up right there. Now, even if we wanted to maybe do it like this, 45-degree angle, still charging. We wanted to put it like this, 45-degree angle, still charging. But notice, if we move it such as this, it does not charge anymore, and the light turns off. But if we place it back on here, it's still, as we can see, the light is blinking, showing that it's trying to charge something, but we are not in the right spot. So when we gotta move it down, and just like that, it'll start charging. It has about 2 to 3 second delay to start charging once you put your phone on there. And it's just the same as the left side. You know, we can move in all different directions. It's still going to be charging. Now the middle, there's no charging pad in the middle. Just kidding. There is a charging pad in the middle. As you can see, it's lit up right now. However, the thing that you notice is that the left side is being lit up right now. That means the phone is more on the left. If you wanted to put the phone exactly in the middle, just like this, it is still being charged and the left side is still being lit up. Want to put the phone a bit more on this side, left is still being, actually, now the right is being lit up. So just for the record, I'm going to assume that there are 3 charging pads, one right here, one right here, and one right here, so that your phone will be charged at all times, no matter where it is on this pad, which I think is truly an amazing feature. As you can see, leave it right in the middle, and it is charging. Awesome. Now, moving on to the top. You know, overall, I think that this wireless charger really is something unique and special. You know, when you look on Amazon and you search up regular wireless chargers, you're not really going to see the value and the great quality wireless chargers that you see here. And also something else is that this charger doesn't just charge, you know, one thing, it charges multiple things, which is something really special that I really like about this product. I also really like how sleek it is and how well it is kept hidden in the background. For example, you know, you can have it in your room. You know, you could just have the charger and then you can have the cord stashed away and you just go in your room, you know, do whatever you need to do. Just put your phone down, it's charging. It just looks so unique and luxurious, and it just feels so in place with the environment and with the surroundings, and it truly makes, you know, the charger fit. It truly makes the charger the charger. Overall, I would definitely recommend you to purchase this. The price is a bit much, I will admit. $150 for a wireless charger is a lot, but you must consider the upsides, which is that it's extremely nice, you know, extremely valuable. I mean, in the long run, you know, you might save a lot of money because, you know, regular chargers break. They break a lot, and this I don't think is going to break at all. It feels very nice. It has very good material. It's very durable. But overall, I would definitely recommend this. If you are on a shopping spree or going to purchase something nice for a friend for Christmas or anything, you know, this would be a great idea for a family gift or anything. I would not recommend purchasing it just by your time, only because of the price. But I mean, everything about it is just, it's phenomenal. So, you know, definitely would recommend. If you have the money, if you have the financials, you know, go get it, man, because this is something you're not going to want to miss out on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.